to another video. It's your girl H10, and this week, as you can see, we're in Trelawny. So guys, I'm actually going to Ocean Coral Strip Hotel, our newly reopened hotel here in Jamaica, in Trelawny. So of course, I'm going to take you guys along with me. Ensure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and share with your friends. I will be telling you guys if this hotel is worth the trip. It is 5 stars, so we will see how many stars we will give it at the end of our trip.
In 300 meters, turn right.
And then when we put in the GPS I tell me to turn from way up there, so with the bar there. And then turn. Oh. Thanks so. Alright, thank you. Guys.
200 meters, turn right onto Canada Way.
It's not easy to find a place. I feel like Dora, like where is the map? And then I thought I was using the map. And the map I tell me to turn some different places, and then there's the place there. So actually right now I'm going through a community. Hopefully we're on the right track soon. Oh! Sleeping police, them big two up. Them definitely know anybody I drive through the community. Like, can you see that? Them here only. Yeah, them sleeping, no, look at that sleeping police here, big guys. Oh! I need that, you're going right. You're going right, guys. I really want to know if I'm going to
Take the next right onto Canada Way.
Canada with that? Since I give me direction. Canada with that, guys. Also, it will put the turn on the side, yeah. End up right as well. Yeah. But I need to put the arrow on the side. Yeah. I'm not going to check it.
In 200 meters, turn right.
Guys, not up to guys, so I'll come back when I reach. Hopefully it's today.
Guys, so me have asked about 6 people for directions to come around here, so make sure you don't have a whole heap of gas, because we follow the GPS, and the GPS says if we turn on a reach a smarty yard, we end up. So I'm going to insert a clip for you to see where we there versus where the GPS tell us to go. But we're actually here. We're in a line of traffic though. It's actually now 2:11, so check-in is at 3. So I guess that's why a lot of persons are coming now. So we just go with. Excited? Yeah, excited, guys. Yeah. Oh yeah, let me finally introduce our roommate for this trip, the one and only Anika. Woo! So guys, we're having a girls trip. You don't know, she's an Labs Out Loud squad member. Yeah. So we're there at Trelawny. We even still there at Trelawny and I'm flying in the Caribbean Sea. The way how far we drive go a while ago. I don't know, but them need to do something better with the direction them on the road. Tell people say, wind up your window, lock your door, them you might go through a little community. I succumb, the man call me.
Got you, man. No thing.
I don't like to know your temperature, because you see how you in the sun?
Oh, man.
Yes.
Never check this for you.
No, I don't mean because of corona. I mean, you're not hot. You need one little hot.
36.7. No matter where you're in, the sun can't rise your temperature, your body temperature.
Oh, okay.
Believe. All you just don't drop.
Mm-hmm.
No matter your feel. Hot.
Mm-hmm.
The sun Your body temperature go always remain 36.4.
So me hotter than you.
Eh? No, me hotter than you. Yeah, technically you know. Can I run in please?
Shade.
GPS signal lost.
We'll reach. You see the GPS I say we lost and we reach. So when we go down there, so we have another check or something? Why the hold up?
It's going to check in, book in for your room.
Oh, right here?
No, when you go to, when you reach him,
Yeah.
he's going to verify your bookings.
Oh, come here, wonder why the traffic.
Yeah,
Okay.
check. We just take all that information, make it fast.
So me have to go over after him.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we actually reached, but we're in a long line of traffic outside. So we had one staff came and asked us our name, took our temperatures, gave us hand sanitizers, and they recorded our license plate number for the car. Then now we have another staff at the actual gate verifying our reservation before they actually let us in. So bear with me guys, hopefully we'll be at the lobby pretty soon. Welcome to my crib. Of course it's not my crib, but come on.
Make yourself at home. Make yourself at home.
So I'll be giving you a tour of my room for the next few days. Alright, so Lab Squad, as we step in, first we have our double door closet. As you can see, we have our steamer right here. We have a shoe shine sponge, and we also got a sewing kit. So thank you, Ocean. So this is where I'll put my clothes and stuff. Cause you know we're living. So we have a lot of hangers because them knows they're long vested. We also have our umbrella, also a secret weapon, guys.
If you're in the hotel and you feel defenseless and you're pulling the door, you have your
So let me close you up. Okay. Alright, so after you leave the closet area, you come right here. We have 2 mini bottles of water, teacups, and our coffee maker. Let me see what's in here. Okay guys, so we got our fridge, glass door fridge. Come take a look, it's sealed. So you can see the Ocean by Coral Spring sanitized marker. So I'm going to actually break this seal, guys. So So you see that? I broke it. So let me open the fridge for you. Alright, so we have Sprite, Coke, bigger, water, and 2 red stripe beer. Nice. So guys, we also have our safe. It's a laptop style safe. They actually have the instructions right here on how to open it. So that's really nice. Like, I'm really glad that they stopped the fridge because a lot of hotels have stopped stocking the fridge due to coronavirus. But
To me, I mean, we're still coming into the hotel. We're still going to get the drinks if we get them at the bar. So why not just put them in the fridge? Anyways.
we also have a lovely mirror right here. So if you're going out, you can just check yourself and make sure that you're good. Now let's go into the bathroom. So they do respect people's privacy. As you can see, we have a lot of doors. So come on in, love squad. I am so excited about the bathroom, guys, because honestly, when I was booking the room, I did not know that we were getting a tub. Yes, guys, so we have a big size tub here. Gosh, guys, I really love it. Okay, so let's get through all that's here. So we got our soap. Alright. We have our mouthwash.
Which hotel you know the mouthwash? Which hotel?
Alright. We have our moisturizing cream. Because them don't want you on them property look dry and chippy. Moisturize, babies. Shampoo and conditioner. You see how clear this is? This is how you know this don't have anything when not good. This are the not even anything in there. It's so clear. Nice. Shower gel. Yeah, so it's really what it did, the shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel in one. Separate. Nice. We also have our hand sanitizer. And guys, we actually got a COVID package kit with mask, gloves, and hand sanitizers. Talk up. Shower cap, because you know how it's a bit new hairstyle. We have a vanity kit. This is Q-tip, cotton swab, and a nail file. So that squad, we actually have a shaving kit. Let me just see what's inside. So you have a razor and you have shaving cream. Nice. We have a comb. You didn't bring it home? Well, Ocean Coral Springs have you covered. Clear comb. So if any of the dirt in your hair, you know your hair still. And your guys, we have a dental kit. You know so of course, clear toothbrush and also toothpaste. Them are how we wear things. I like it. The glasses, and that is for the mouthwash. Real nice. We have our rags. Guys, nice. This is what it said. Privilege. Alright, step back a bit. Guys, let us do this side first. So, blow dryer, definitely a must. Look at towels. Well, I have enough towels for the whole of the time while we're staying, guys. But look here. Scale. Of course, it's a clear scale. You see the theme. So the purpose of this is to actually
eat too much.
No, man. You will know if you have a good time based on how much you eat. As you come your way yourself, and when you leave your way yourself and see how much clothes you put on. Based on the amount of clothes you put on, that is directly proportional to the amount of fun you have. So we're going to do this. We're going to be on camera because that's not another video of itself. So guys, you have to make sure it's water in the pipe them, guys. But look here. What did I say? I love them tall. I can't barely reach it, but guys, I love it. It's double-sided, so you have different magnifications. So of course, our makeup will be on. Nice. Let me check if nobody in here. Come with me, guys. Oh! So this is the shower. Ta-da! So we have our rain shower. And it's on. This one is short, yes. Yes, it's come on home. But anyways, them here. So this is a handheld shower, and you know we have a rain shower. So that's why them get a shower cap. I don't know why you wait up there. Here. Nice, nice, nice. We're not done it. I have space now. I'm full of door here. At first, this is so much door. Alright guys, so this is my bathroom. Yeah. One roll, but we work with it. And I think, press them somewhere. So
I wave your hand and come up. Nice. Nice guys. You wave your hand and it comes up. So where you see it. Guys, you're really nice, you're really nice. Did I almost want to cover?
So Lab Squad, we have our full length mirror. You know, every hotel room have a full length mirror because you need to see yourself. You can't go out there and you try potentially meet somebody if you're not on a family trip and you don't know what you look like. You need to see yourself. So thank you. Maybe for hey, we're in the next room. Guys, the room nice. Not like. So now we're in the bedroom. Okay guys? This is where the sleeping takes place. But come here. Look on the bed. Look on the bed, guys. We actually have our own sets of bed slippers, robes, and privileged towels. Let them know so me that coming up. Them know so welcome. So over here we have our mirrors. I know girl like read at night time. And we have our drawers. So this is really nice. You have your wall charger. You have a USB charger, and this is where you control the main light. Over the next side, control the fan as well. But guys, really nice. Really nice. We also have our phone. This is where we call for room service. They do provide room service. So last one, you actually get the TV with the room already on, and then we have the Ocean Coral screen. They have basically channels for us. As you can see, it's not touchscreen. But over here it says Bienvenido. Welcome Love Squad to the Ocean Coral Screen Hotel. It's a bag of exclamation mark. Alright guys, so let's see what's here. Oh, so this is like a dresser. So this is like a fancy people dresser. Like, I was wondering what was in there. Another luggage area to put your luggage. Now into the study. So this is the study. Over here is where I'll do my late night editing on my laptop, and I have my night lights. I won't disturb or guests because I'm busy with you guys. My crib. So we have this beautiful glass centerpiece in our living room, and look at this white couch. The trust we one with about one bag of pillow. But look at this mirror, guys. Yeah. This is beautiful. Yeah. With the little bamboo brush. You remember the coconut brush them when my usually sweep on the house with? See them here? Them this. Nice. I like it. I want to see the artwork that going in the room. But we're not done yet. We're not done yet. We're ready to go outside. I have a surprise for you guys outside. Well, let's go.
I think I can't put it.
Wanna see it? Wanna see? Alright, go. Whoa. Now, squad. Look my veranda. Guys, look over. That's the first. We'll have the two little chair them. You can sit out and watch what's going on. And then look here. We'll have a little swing. That take me away, guys. So you can just hold if you want to sleep out it. Watch it, bring my way. Anyway, guys, it's nice. How about this? Alright, guys, come. You're not done yet? Guys, the room well nice. The room that we got is actually the swimmer room. So right here is our own pool. Basically this section. So just to note, it is not divided. So other persons, if they don't respect your space, might come over here in the section of land. But you know we Jamaicans, we know how to work with boundaries. And guys, it's really nice. It's really, really nice. It's really nice, guys. I like it. I want to go for a swim right now. I mean, cool clothes and who? When you have your own pool. Talk up. We made it. So we don't have no ocean in this, you guys. We have
Pool view.
24 hours worth of flowing water right outside the bedroom. Talk up to me, nice. Hey. So Lab Squad wants to thank you for watching my room tour at the Ocean Coral Springs Swim Out Junior Suite room. I really love the room. I hope you guys do. I'm happy now, I get my room. So remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends because the more people come, the merrier. And if you know want me to come with you now, I'm not pay for me, invite me to. Bye!